Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to fix Windows 11 Go Back button not working. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Windows Update from the left side list. Go to Advanced Options. Go to Recovery. Look for Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Anyway. Choose Troubleshoot option on your blue screen. Go to Advanced Options. Click on Uninstall Updates. Choose Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Click on Uninstall Feature Update. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!